Hi fellow investors, welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to discuss and do a deep dive technical analysis of Inox Wind Limited. I see a very strong potential technical pattern which is forming right now, and there is a huge breakout which is going to be happening in this company as per my in-depth technical analysis. So I want you to keep this stock under your watch list and make sure you enter exactly at the very right and the best bargaining price to gain more in profits from this company. If you see the chart on my screen, I have clearly mentioned the target levels as well as an entry point and the stop loss. Please make sure you watch this video completely, so by end of this video you could be able to have a clear understanding on the pattern which is forming right now and how strong is this technical chart pattern which is forming, and where exactly that we need to keep the stop loss and where exactly that we need to enter, what is the strong logic behind them. If you see the chart on my screen, this stock is currently in a very strong consolidated zone. This stock has given a huge tremendous momentum from the price 92 rupees until almost like 228 rupees. If you see the chart over here, this stock has given a strong higher highs, which is where this stock has given a tremendous momentum with a back-to-back green candles. Once after a heavy momentum is done, this stock is exactly consolidating in a parallel channel, and whatever the pattern which you are seeing on my screen is nothing but a bullish flag pattern. This way you could be able to see a clear pole over here and a back-to-back strong momentum with a heavy buying pressure. Once after the heavy buying pressure is done, then this stock is consolidating in a very strong flag, which is nothing but a parallel channel with a strong momentum. So once after this stock is having a strong consolidation, this stock is going to go and reach new higher zones by breaking this very strong resistance line within the parallel channel. Currently the Nifty and the Bank Nifty are in a downtrend, so I'm sure that this stock is going to consolidate little bit more. So the best entry into this company is going to be exactly over here, which is 187. This stock is going to consolidate again towards into this very strong support line, as Nifty and the Bank Nifty and the Indian stock markets are in a consolidated as well as in the downtrend. So I'm sure that this stock will retrace back at this point. So this is the best potential right entry for any of the fellow investors to gain more in profits from this company. And once after the stock has hit this very strong support line, this stock will go ahead and bounce back over here, and there is a huge breakout which is going to be happen, and this stock will reach into the new higher zones, which is going to be more than at least 300 rupees. Currently this stock is trading at 216 rupees, and the best entry into this company is over here, which is 187 rupees, and the best stop loss to avoid the fake outs is going to be 183 rupees, which is going to be just below this a strong back-to-back green and red candles. And the target one is going to be 228 rupees, which is going to be over here, and the target 2 is going to be 252 rupees, which is going to be over here. This is a very strong resistance line. Once after the stock has given a tremendous momentum and break this resistance line, then this stock will for sure reach into the new higher zones, which is exactly at 296 rupees. This stock has a huge potential to grow and to break these patterns as per my in-depth technical analysis. When it comes into the fundamental analysis, this stock has a market capital of 7,067 crore, and this stock has a very good book value as well as a face value, and this company is not providing a good quarterly results as well as annual results. If you compare the annual results, the profits which are providing by this company, currently this company has providing a minus 499 crore in loss, and the return on equity is not good, as well as the stock price CAGR has reduced from 80% to 50%, and this stock compound sales growth has increased from -1 to 86%, and this stock's compound profit growth was increased from 0 to 14%. And this company has a shareholding pattern of both foreign institutional investors as well as the domestic institutional investors, and this company is having a promoters hold of 64.64% until September 2023. And when it comes into the technical analysis, whatever the chart pattern which you are seeing on my screen is a very strong in technical chart pattern, and this stock is going to go and reach new higher zones. Whatever the pattern which you are seeing on my screen is a daily chart pattern, which where I see a very strong potential entry and the potential breakout. This stock was continuously in an uptrend momentum. Currently, this stock is exactly in a very strong consolidated in between a parallel channel, which where you could able to see both the buyers and the sellers are trying to make an upper hand on the stock within the parallel channel. That is the reason this stock has hit this parallel channel on above and again coming back to the strong support line and moving back to the resistance and again coming back to the support. So this stock is in a very strong consolidation zone, which is where whenever the stock is having a very strong consolidation after a huge back-to-back momentum, then this stock will go ahead into the new higher zones, which is going to happen in the future. So I want you to keep this stock under your watch list and make sure you enter exactly at the very right to gain more in profit from this company. Thank you very much for watching this video. I would request you to please subscribe my channel so that you will get a notification whenever I posted the videos on a good breakout stocks with a strong technical analysis. I always prefer to provide you the in-depth technical analysis with the help of chart patterns, buyers and seller psychology, support and resistance levels, so that you could able to gain more in knowledge how the technical analysis work and where exactly that you need to enter and what are the target levels which you are going to achieve. How strong is the company when it comes into the fundamental? We need to make sure that we need to have a very strong technical analysis as well. Even though the company is in a very strong fundamental analysis with a capital, market capital, book value, face value, there were many times that the stock is going to go and continuously fall due to the reason of a heavy selling pressure. If you know the technical analysis, so that you could able to find the best breakout stocks and the best discounted and the bargaining prices. For example, if you take a TCS, Infosys, Wipro, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, they are very strong when it comes to the fundamental. But still, those companies' stocks are in the downtrend right now. So I want you to please understand the technical analysis in depth so that you could able to find your own best breakout stocks at a very discounted price by comparing and by analyzing both the fundamental and the technical analysis. Whenever I do a video on any of the breakout stocks, I also prefer to do a thorough analysis on fundamental analysis. So I don't simply do a technical analysis. When I found a stock which is going to be breakout, as per my in-depth technical analysis, I will make sure I do a fundamental analysis as well. And whenever I see that the fundamentals of that company is also very reasonable and there is a strong technical chart pattern which is forming right now, then only I will invest into that company and I will do an analysis, and I will request you to please keep the stock under the watch list. Thank you very much for watching this channel again. Have a happy, healthy, wealthy and successful life. Jai Hind.